Hello there. I am at Moses Coulee Ranch, one of the coolest places in eastern Washington, where this pond area and little subsequent creek and then next pond area is just loaded full of native red band trout. And we're gonna try to catch some fish today. And the cool thing about this, it doesn't matter, right? It is cold out. This place does not freeze. So it's a great place for you to fish in the wintertime when everything else is frozen. And I'm gonna leave all the information down in the pinned comment on how you can get a hold of Brad to book your weekend here, because it's a very special fishery in a very beautiful place. And there are a lot of big fish in this pond. Let's go see if we can catch one. Could we get a first cast, first fish? So what I'm using today is I'm using a little chromy chironomid right here. It's kind of like a midge, so I'm gonna give that a try under a small Oros indicator. I'm using my 3-way today, my FFD3, but I like using these light rods on these fish, so let's see if we can catch ourselves a fish. He felt heavy too. He was just going ding, 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 ding.
It's a different game out here than when you were before. I got about 20%, I would say, that are in that 16, 17, 18 range. I think the biggest we've got is about 19. There he is.
There he is. Nice. Fish on. You know, Brad, that took way longer than I thought. 5 minutes.
That's sort of the next size down.
The one thing I need to do is I'll take a little shot of that. There you go. Two down. Yeah, I was going to say, there's some big fish over there. So the cool thing about this fishery as well, it is self-sustainable. They start spawning in this little creek right around January, and they are constantly reproducing, right? Brad has not stocked this thing ever. That is what makes this so special, being so unique, that this fishery is self-sustaining, spawning in the little creek, and they grow and eat a bunch of bugs and get really big and fat in the pond. Look at that. That's cool. So you can see right down here, there's actually a red right there to where they're spawning. Over here the same. Kind of see where the rocks are kind of clean. Those are all reds where they're spawning. Oh. Nice. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Look at that guy. It's a solid 15-inch. fish. Beautiful. Oh, cooperate. Nice. Did you get that shot? You see, this is what's cool about this place, is that, you know, I've been doing a little steelhead fishing. I haven't been doing a lot of steelhead catching, and this is just bringing my confidence back that I still remember how to fly fish. So, if you need a little confidence builder, this is definitely a place to do it. We're gonna try up here now. See, look how close that fish is. Watch. See what I mean about great for the beginner? That's about a 10-foot cast. Yeah, I caught him on dries last time I was here. Nice fish. Brad, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to fish your lake. Just a great time, caught so many fish. Please be sure to check out the link below on the in the pinned comment and book your trip, because it really is something else.
Yeah, thanks for coming, Fly Fish Dan. You were on them today, did really well. We didn't break that 16-inch mark, but we're gonna hear in just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, we got close though. Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Appreciate you.